Deep in the heart of the Danakil Desert in the northeastern corner of Ethiopia lives a tribe of nomadic herders known as the Afar. Living in one of the most inhospitable places on earth, they are truly Africa's toughest humans. For centuries, they have braved the scorching heat, lack of water, and volcanic activity to sustain their way of life. Hello and welcome to this video where we take a closer look at the Afar people, one of the indigenous ethnic groups of the Horn of Africa. Geographical location and demographics. The Afar people are primarily found in the Afar region of Ethiopia, as well as in neighboring Eritrea and Djibouti. According to recent estimates, the total Afar-speaking population is around 4.5 million people. They are Kushites and bear a remarkable similarity to Somalis both physically and linguistically. They are Cushitic and speak the Afar language, which to my ears bears remarkable similarity to Somali.
نمل في كونا بولي إلى سدي حلف فن هنا تنمي سمرا مقالاي بيروح الداخل بهانا مكا أبين نوح يعني مفكرينه بيروح الدلا أساك جدا إنك ندافتك عمسنه بيروح الدهنا دافتاي فردي ما سوكته أنها بيروح الدلويل ومسوكته تني مانغو مسويسي جاي.
Phenotype. The Afar, like most Cushitic groups, are tall, slender, and dark complexioned. Their hair is curly, and both Afar men and women like to keep it long and flowing, which I personally like. The women are very beautiful and like to adorn themselves with colorful head jewelry, as well as long flowing elegant dresses. They really look cool. History and culture. The Afar people have a rich cultural heritage with a long history dating back to the ancient times. They have their own language and follow a unique set of customs and traditions. The Afar people are predominantly Sunni Muslims, but there are also a significant number of Christians and traditional religious practitioners among them. Lifestyle and economic activities. The Afar people are nomadic pastoralists, which means that they move with their herds of livestock in search of water and pasture. They are also known for their salt mining activities, with some Afar communities having a long history of extracting and trading salt. Societal structure and gender roles. The Afar society is organized into clans and is patriarchal in nature, with men typically holding the positions of power and decision-making. However, Afar women play a crucial role in the economy and often participate in trading activities, livestock management, and household responsibilities. In conclusion, the Afar people are a rich and fascinating ethnic group with a long history and unique cultural heritage. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Afortista Films for more great content. Until next time, thanks for watching.
يا عمي ليه سهيد اي رباح إنك السيمودا ما بينا ينبلي أبي عمي لي ستنا يسيحولي بطيب كسلي ستنا يسيحولي سهيدا يربا إنك السيمودا نانا علي ريبولي نمبداي مرسولي نلسني عربي رو تعال الكسر جمايين نلسني عربي رو عسوها لك انا عسرون نلسني عربي رو بلالها لك انا كسرون نلسني عربي رو عمي حي سما حرير اللي نلسني عربي رو نلسني عربي رو نلسني عربي رو نلسني عربي رو نانا نلسني عربي رو أما حي سما حرير لينا نلسني عربي رو أما يرادي هو للينا نلسني عربي رو أما برتقان دبل لينا نلسني عربي رو أما يرادي هو للينا نلسني عربي رو 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 ربنا رحتي دبابة عد عري ربنا رحتي دبابة عد عري مني ممات نوي فرموني دميت دبابة عد عري ربنا رحتي دبابة عد عري إبا ممات نوي موتره نميت دبابة عد عري ربنا رحتي دبابة عد عري كيف تملو بكايدك بسانا مايرو دبابة عد عري ربنا رحتي دبابة عد عري ربنا رحتي دبابة عد عري ربنا رحتي دبابة عد عري لقبتي سيسي كم كيدو ما تركت دبابة